Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Upside with Uber. Now, did you know that you can earn cash back every time you fill up your gas tank, shop, or even use Uber just by using the Upside app? So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Upside with Uber step by step so you can start getting rewards for the rides you're already taking or giving. What is Upside? Upside is a free app that gives you real cash back on gas, groceries, dining, and yes, it works with Uber too, especially if you're a driver. So whether you're riding with Uber or driving for Uber, this guide will show you how to make the most of both. Now, for Uber drivers, use Upside for fuel cashback. So head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Upside. Download the app, open it, and sign up using your email or Google account. Grant location access to Upside so that Upside can find nearby gas stations and restaurants offering cashback. Then tap the Fuel tab on the bottom of the Upside screen. Upside will list gas stations nearby with your cashback rate per gallon. For example, $15 per gallon back. 15 cents rather. So go ahead and tap claim next to your chosen station. You have 4 hours to make the purchase. Fill up and pay using a linked debit or credit card. This is crucial for tracking. Now make sure your Uber payout card or gas card is linked to your Upside account. Some stations may ask you to upload a photo of the receipt, so take a clear photo and submit it through the app. Cashback typically hits your Upside account within 24 to 48 hours. You can cash out to PayPal, bank, or gift cards. Why you can't earn cashback directly on Uber rides through Upside? Here is how you can still benefit. Heading to a meal or shop after your Uber trip. Now open Upside first, claim a restaurant or grocery offer, then visit the spot and pay with your linked card. And share your Upside referral code with friends, including Uber riders and drivers. You earn bonus cashback every time they use Upside, even if it's for gas, food, or shopping. That is how to use Upside with Uber. Okay, that's it. So go for the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.